Yes?
Okay, did you say you filed something on the case?
Yes, I did. On November 19th,
Okay,
it was a media motion, a media request for an order restoring remote access, and it was filed on the 19th. And I know that others filed motions as well, and none of us have heard back from the judge.
okay. I talked to the clerk up there, and she said that the judge mentioned that it was improper procedure for a request, and that you would have to go through court media coordinator prior to the court date.
But I did. I went through, I did what I was supposed to do, and I filed a motion, and he never even responded to it. Nothing. I'd like to know why this court thinks that it can defy the Constitution that courts are open in Missouri. I'm a member of the press, a member of the public. I have a right to be there to witness what he's doing. And by the way, Judge Kamp is also refusing to put this hearing on the record, which I don't know how that's legal. And I have talked to senators and legislators about it personally, and they know about it. He needs to put this case on the record. What he is doing is illegal, and it calls for impeachment. I want to be in that hearing. I have done the proper process. If he's going to change the process now, who is your media coordinator?
I am unsure of that. All I can tell you is what the judge said. What she said was it was an improper procedure for a request, and that you have to go through court media coordinator. That is all he told me, and that is all I know.
I need to find out who the media coordinator is. Can you find out who that is?
He's in court right now. I can't just go up there and stop court.
So you don't.
That question.
You don't know.
After.
So you don't know if you even have a media coordinator.
I would have to talk to the judge.
There's no such thing, ma'am, as a media coordinator in Ripley County. I can guarantee you that. What I have done in several courts across this country. I filed a motion. The motion requires a response. The judge did not give me a response. Whether it's improper procedure or not, he should have responded in writing about that improper procedure. And I'd like to know why I don't have a response. And I'm not going to take a verbal response. He's required to give me a response from the bench in writing.
Okay, what I can do is I can give this information to the judge and get a phone number from you, see what he says, and then I don't know what he'll do with that, but I can't answer the questions that you're asking because it's a question for either the judge or an attorney to make sure that your procedure that you followed was correct.
I used an attorney to file my motion, a Missouri attorney. So I do not believe him that it was improperly filed. And he needs to respond and tell me that it was improperly filed in a motion. He needs to write a response to my motion. And then I can appeal it. But I can't do anything if he isn't going to respond and he's going to tell me through messages over the phone through a third party. I don't accept that.
Okay, I can let him know that, but it won't be till he's down from court.
Of course not, because he's keeping us out of that courtroom because he doesn't want us to see what's happening. This is illegal. It's criminal. My phone number is